So what we're doing right now is we're doing a compression check on this Riley 1.5 because when the car initially came in, it was for kind of body work and metal repair. So we didn't do initial evaluation on the engine. So we've kind of started doing all the mechanicals on it. So we're just trying to get a baseline of what the engine's kind of health is and how everything is kind of working in it. So yeah, there we go. We've been just doing a compression check on this engine so we can kind of evaluate its health and the baseline condition of everything before we kind of move on to refurbishing other systems of the engine, like the carburetors or just kind of the ignition system. So once we get this all sorted out, we can kind of determine on whether or not we need to kind of move forward on engine components or just work on everything else that needs to be done. What are you doing? I'm rambling.
Yeah.
I had that perfect take, but if you didn't run out of memory the first time, it would have been fine.